In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this app can't run on your PC. So friends, to resolve this issue in your PC or laptop, firstly click on Start, then type local security policy. Open it. Now in this video, expand local policies. Now double click on security options. Now here you will see a list of features. Now in here, click on this user account control admin approval. So double click on it. Select enabled, then apply, then OK. Now similarly, double click on user account control, run all administrators in admin. So double click on it. Select enabled, then apply and OK. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully guys, using this method, this issue will be fixed. Thanks for watching.